Embracing innovation is absolutely critical.
It makes the farming industry a more easier job. And spray drones is going to be just another step and another tool in that kit that we can use to actually keep this industry as sustainable as possible. My name's Frankie Galati. We've got over 1,000 hectares of irrigated farmland, and we grow a range of different products. So we grow potatoes, carrots, onions, broccoli, collies on our vegetable farms. Currently, some of the greatest challenges in Australian agriculture are the rising costs across all aspects of farming. Diesel increase, wages all increase. So we're always trying to work out how can we be more efficient, how can we reduce our costs. Definitely think there's opportunity to reduce costs in especially chemical applications. So I guess on a standard spray application, we're using around 400 litres per hectare with a traditional sprayer. Today with the drone, we tried 45 litres a hectare. It should get a pretty good application and good penetration into the crop. And for certain crops, I think you'll see big benefits. Once those crop rows have closed over, going in with a sprayer, you literally chop up a large percentage of your crop, potentially damaging the yield by up to 10% by just going in there and chopping those crops up. So by using the drone to actually spray and not have to go into the crop, damage the crop, reduce your yield.
For a bit of a test flight?
If you're worried about the skill level, don't be. It's very easy to work out. You literally select the area, click a button, and then it'll pretty much do all the work for you. So you can easily customize the height, the spray droplet size, the rate per hectare. It's just so simple to do, and you can actually see it change while you're actually doing the applications and seeing where you can get the best coverage. So as it gets easy to use, the farmers will adopt it more, and as they start seeing results, we'll start seeing more adoption as we go. But I think it's very important. You know, we're looking at DJI spray drones. I believe this technology will have a huge impact on agriculture. Well, we can implement this technology into our farming business because I see so many opportunities to gain efficiencies from it, and it's going to allow the farming industry to stay more sustainable into the future.